Hey guys, it's Danny's Queen here. I just wanted to give you a little update on Chessie the cat, and the kids wanted to do a little video of the chickens and the ducks. And you guys can see that I changed my hair color. Danny has a new queen in town. Alright, I'm going to turn you around, and daughter number 3 has Chessie, and she's getting so big, guys. Look how big she is.
I know, subscribers.
She's so big. Chessie. Let go, little thing. She likes to play, that's for sure.
And Cajun.
And look, there's Cajun. What'd you think, boy? What'd you think? And look, Colt wants to vlog. What's your channel name?
I forgot.
Colt's Hydroponics?
Yeah.
Say that.
Cause I'm the bonding. Say cheese.
Cheese. Alright, Colt. Let's go show him the chickens.
Yeah, go.
How much better she's doing. Hey.
So guys, I'm holding the camera, and there's my chickens.
Do the eggs.
Crack the eggs.
You gotta do it right, Colt, so they can see.
Okay.
Yeah, 2. You hold it.
No. What is the? You know what? I feel like Mario throw some trash. And then there's trash over here, guys. It's me. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me see.
We need some water.
I was thinking to me.
Okay, go show him the chickens.
That's Charlie, and this is.
Oh, this is much better.
Charlie was sick, huh? Charlie girl. She's doing so much better.
This is one of our male silkies. His name's Tiny.
Tiny.
And then the other one's over there somewhere.
Right there. That's Louie.
Yeah.
And the other rooster is
this is my chicken.
a little bantam named Harold.
This is my
Ollie.
chicken coop.
The all black
This is
one's
my
Phoebe.
chicken.
The
This is where my
blue
chicken
with the rock
sleeps.
is Onyx.
Mama.
That's Dottie.
This-
That's Emily.
And that's where the chickens sleep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And under here, right there is Coco under there.
Which one's Coco? The big brown one?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the other one? Hershey?
Darker one's Hershey. The other one's Coco.
Yeah. And over my chicken.
Their names.
How many eggs we got, guys?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. 6. Mine.
Good job.
Yes.
But yeah, Charlie was sick there for a couple days, but she's doing much, much better today.
Yep.
So good.
Oh, I can hold it
All right, Colt wants to hold it for a few. You gotta hold it like that.
right here. And then that's my chuck. That's my duck. So guys, there's my.
What do they have to do? Like and subscribe?
Yeah, like and subscribe, guys.
They're your fans?
Yeah. And there's
From the water. See water in here.
there's my water, guys.
With the bayou?
Yeah, that's my body, guys. Oh, somebody just got over there. They go down the water. So you got him.
What do we see in there?
Hmm?
What things we see in there?
Colt. C'est como ça va, YouTube?
Come on, you
Alright guys, I hope you liked that little update with the kids and the chickens and all that. So you guys have a good weekend and a good Thanksgiving, and y'all grow that later. Bye.